to catch up. Damn, why y'all bullshitting? Where your skills at? Killing most these niggas with a deal. So where my deal at? Fuck a deal. With my check, bitch. I'm getting up my spinach dip while smoking on some lima beans. I'm trying to make you bleed. I'm not trying to make some kind of scene. What you doing? Bullshit. I do this or I'm deuces. Lose me or I move it. On beats I'm Titanical, so niggas call me cruise ship. An animal, I prove it. Watch me as I do this. Leaping on these sleepers, see a rapper and do two shits. Round table full of dominance. These niggas fuck up on some Obama shit. Me, I make it flame out of ink on some Osama shit. Spitting what my life about. You the type of doubt. Never been that typical. I'm someone that get hype about. I'm swerving like I'm leaning, smoking like I'm fiending. These new era niggas, we got them screaming, screaming, screaming. Yeah, you on top now, but that wouldn't last long. Only as good as your motherfucking last song. Snuck in the back like a breeze. We got our draft on. All work, then get our fucking laugh on. What you talking about? Talk about that first time you on one way. Started off as a good day, watching football on a Sunday. Then graduated to some gunplay. Mac 11, your hombre. Holler points through your window. And these pussy niggas in your driveway. Driveway, driveway. Shut up. You ain't motherfucking gangster. Shut up. You ain't motherfucking gangster. Shut up. You ain't motherfucking gangster. Shut up. You ain't motherfucking gangster.
AV, I feel as though I can't with these niggas. They got they hand out. I'm about to break bank with these niggas. I'm in the rear of a hoopty, my dang stinking. I'm smoking, my brain thoughtless. I'm twisted and can't think. Fuck it, it ain't much I wouldn't do for the guap. I'm a slave to the wages. Savior your prayers. I only want the payment of praises and hatred. A few hoes gazing at the cloth that I'm draped in. A heart split gothic on that flip cross shit. Blowing on the killer till a nigga in the coffin. State from the state where they'll toss him in the coffin, where they don't hear the Lord, cause ain't no heaven for the heartless. Crows in the mosh pit, rose from the darkness. Bodies of my competition stowed in apartments. A blood red sea type flow like a faucet. The author, the black sheep, cold I'm enforcing. Niggas talking, I don't fuck with y'all. Baby steps, my niggas walking taller than a giant carcass. Tryna stomp the yard, these niggas talking tough but shouldn't talk at all. Niggas talking, I don't fuck with y'all. Baby steps, my niggas walking taller than a giant carcass. Tryna stomp the yard, these niggas talking tough but shouldn't talk at all. Niggas shut up. You ain't motherfucking gangster. Shut up. Yeah. You ain't motherfucking gangster. Shut up. You ain't motherfucking gangster. Shut up. You ain't gangster, nigga.